Okay, well, this is a video of my aquaponics system. It's currently under test. As you can see, we've got a standard green wheelie bin and some pipes there. Water pumps out of the bottom of the pipe, out of the bottom of the bin here, up into the grow bed, which has just got this clay balls in it. The filter in there at the moment, just catching a bit of the clay ball dust. I've got a bell siphon here, which is what I use to regulate the water using a drain and flood. This tomato plant is actually a transplant. It was sitting in the laundry for about 2 months until I put it in here. Just had to get rid of it out of there and put it somewhere, so I decided to plant it in here. We look down here, we've got some bio balls in a PVC tube. This pipe here is actually coming from the centre of the bell siphon, and this pipe here where the water's coming out is just a sort of a pressure relief. The pump in the bottom of the bucket, bottom of the wheelie bin, is a bit too strong, so I've put in a valve which allows the water to, some of it to come up here and some of it to go across there and up and out here. The idea of putting it through the bio balls means that it gets bacteria cleaned and then also gets aerated as well. There's a little hole drilled down there with a bit of water coming out. That's from the previous attempt at aeration. I had a tube in there acting as a venturi. So once the bell siphon kicks off, which is not too far away, as you can see, the water level's up, and in a moment there'll be a little bit of water coming out of here and then it'll start gushing out. So let's just wait for that. There it goes, a bit of water. Let's get rid of this water here from there. Oops. Go from the phone. You can see the water from the bell siphon coming out, gushing out. We look up here, water's draining, and the water here is still coming out. So the water coming out of here is coming out slower than it's draining from here. So therefore the grow bed empties. There's no fish in here at the moment either, by the way. I've got a bigger fish tank inside and I've just used some water from there to help the bacteria get started. So that's emptying out. Now, this water down here is only about halfway out. I'll wait for a bit longer and then I'll show you that the bell siphon works. Water's gushing out. Must be nearly done. Not far off. Nearly. While we're waiting, if you have a look here, this cut here was where I cut the onion, and this growth here, that's about it's actually 3 days growth, so it's pretty impressive. And the system's not even operating properly, it's still cycling. You'll hear a little slurp in a minute, which is the bell siphon cutting off. There we go, there's the slurp. Bell siphon's finished. Water's finished draining out of this pipe. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm back again. I just thought about, people are going to ask me about the bell siphon. All it is, a piece of PVC pipe with a hole drilled in the top, let some air in. That is a bit of a fish tank air hose. Goes down to the level that you want the water to stop at. These cutouts just allow the water to go in up the siphon, and then here is the standpipe, and you can probably see, you might not be able to, there's cuts in this pipe which allow the water to come into this pipe. All this purple pipe is doing is stopping these grow balls from getting into the system. So that goes over there. Just drop it in. I mean, sees it's all loose and everything. That's normal. As soon as the siphon action starts, that'll get quite stiff and just self-center and sort itself out.